Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a stew, tofu and oyster mushroom stew with squid. So this is all the ingredients. This is my late lunch. I just woke up. It's just like around almost 2 o'clock p.m. here. Alright, so I have the two kinds of mushrooms, the oyster mushroom and enoki, and also the squid right there. And this one is called Perilla leaves, but you can also use baby bok choy. I just want to try this. And I have two kinds of tofu. I have soft tofu and I have extra soft tofu. And we're gonna need a soybean paste, red one, and also chili paste. And we need 8 cups of broth, or you can also use water. You just add chicken powder and then black pepper. My black pepper is somewhere. I'll just add it later. Alright, let's get started. On mine, I will add some garlic. That's optional. And also, I already boiled my my broth. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chili paste, or you can also add only 1 tablespoon if you don't want a spicy one. Actually, this is not so spicy, the chili paste. Just like a little bit sticky. And this one, I just want to add 1 tablespoon of this because this is salty. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna stir that until it dissolves. You can just put your heat to medium high. Okay, let's bring to boil like less than 2 minutes. That way the garlic will cook. Now we'll lower your heat to medium, and then we'll add the squid. Okay, let's boil that. Let's simmer it for 5 minutes. You don't have to cover that up. Just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Alright, now we'll add the tofu. Just be careful, we're not going to splash on you. Oh, I'm really scared of this. Yeah. There you go. Now let's simmer this for 2 minutes, and we'll add the mushroom. And now we'll add the mushrooms. The mushroom will only cook less than 2 minutes. This is my favorite one. But this is not good for my health. When I try this, be careful with this. Watch out with this. By the way, this is a Korean style, but I like a lot of sauce or soup on mine, because that tastes good. You can eat a lot of rice with this. You can also like use only 4 cups or 6 cups of broth. Okay, let's simmer that maybe 2 minutes. Now adjust your sodium if it's okay for you. I don't want to add anything. That's enough for me. So this is my version of Korean stew. Alright, now you can turn off your heat and you add the Perilla leaves. I wash this one by one. Make sure no insect in there stick on the leaves. They always use this one for their soup, especially a stew, especially neck bone. They use that. I saw that. One day I will make the neck bone stew. Why I keep saying soup? Alright, if you have onions, green onions, you can add it. If you don't have, that's completely fine. But I have a little onions, so I add that. Just mix them. This one is ready to serve. You can serve this any kind of side dish you want. Like if you have a kimchi, you can do that too. You have also, if you have a radish, pickled radish, also you can do that. Alright. Okay everyone, here's my dish for today. My simple dish. I have a size of the seaweed salad and also kimchi, and that's my favorite one, radish, pickled radish. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokes. God bless you all. See ya.